Yes, good evening guys to all of you. I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. Yes, Ashray, hi, Ajay, Darshan, Vinay, good evening to all of you. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible to all of you? So guys, this is a session, practice session where we are going to have the question. Yes, good evening Lakshmi. We are going to have the questions from 3 topics which we have already covered: casting, welding, and then we are having sheet metal operations. Okay, sheet metal operations. So let us move further guys. So this is some detail about me. Telegram channel Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana, where you will get the PDF of this session. And guys, this is the mathematics schedule. As you already know, from 22nd of January till 1st of February, these sessions will be going on, from differential equation to quantitative aptitude to calculus to analytical aptitude, matrix, special aptitude, numerical method, verbal, then complex number, probability. Likewise, the series will be happening. Yes, Raja Babu, good evening. Aniket, good evening. Please tell me, am I properly audible and visible? Then guys, 21st of January, you can appear in this scholarship test. And based on your performance in the scholarship, you can get up to 90% of the scholarship for GATE 2025 programs of Vision batches, Vision GATE batches and all. And at the same time, you are having on 24th of January, there is a workshop, how to secure a single digit rank in GATE 2025. I would be taking this workshop at 7:30 p.m. Okay. And 24th January would be the date. Yes, Bora Prakash, good evening. Ashray, I'm coming on to that. Don't worry. I'm coming on to that for the marathon when we are talking about. So I am telling you here that tomorrow, Friday, on Friday we are having material science marathon. Okay. Then my dear, on Saturday we are having 2 marathon. In the morning time we have vibrations. In the morning time we have vibrations plus tome 2. Do you remember tome some part was pending? So vibrations and tome 2 would be there. And in the evening time you would be having HMT. Okay, in the evening time you would be having HMT. Okay, so this is how we are going to plan it. Or the second option is, if this vibration plus tome 2 is going to be delayed, let us say it is taking more than 7-8 hours, then this would be live on Sunday. Okay, so this is the plan, because from Monday onward we are starting engineering, mathematics and aptitude. Okay, and also we are coming up with the formula marathons. Now let us start. Other than that, whatever that your doubt is, I will be taking in between. Okay, is it fine now? So HMT would be there on Saturday or Sunday. Actually there was some technical issue, that's why today it could not happen. It would be there on Saturday or Sunday. So guys, now this is the very first question in front of you from the casting. Okay, you just need to be with us till your exam. We are having each and every arrangement for you. Today, have you seen the calculator video? That also will be covered, Abhishek. Don't worry. Actually, when we are talking about other topics, for that also I will give you the schedule tomorrow. So don't worry about that. Okay. So for other topic, actually, we are planning in between the Maths Apti series. Okay. So in between, we are going to keep one day for that. Bora Prakash, that's what I said. Now, okay, have you seen that calculator video? If you find any other doubts after that video, you can also tell me in the Telegram or comment sections. I will help you for that as well. Okay. So this is the very first question. A casting of cubical shaped structure is required with 60 mm side, and this is the casting size. So if someone will ask you what is the volume of casting, then you know volume of casting is nothing but 60 ka cube. Okay, then they are saying assume volume of shrinkage is 2.3%. Then they have given the shrinkage volume to be 2.3%. So 2.3 by 100 into, this is going to be 2.3 into 100 into volume of casting. This is the shrinkage volume. Then they are saying the height of the riser. They have given the height of the side riser. Height of riser is 30 mm. When height of riser is given, now you know they have also given that riser volume is 4 times the shrinkage volume. So they have given one data which you will be using, and you will be saying the volume of riser is 4 times the shrinkage volume. So when you will be going for that, you know it is a side riser, na? So it is first of all pi by 4 d square h. H is known to us. 4 times shrinkage volume. From here you would be getting the diameter value, but don't answer it as it is, because you know this is a shrinkage volume method. Here the scope of improvement is there. So you need to check whether the modulus of riser is more than equals to modulus of casting or not. And you know modulus of riser will be volume but a surface area. Volume is nothing but pi by 4 d square h. Surface area is 2 into pi by 4 d square plus pi dh. This is going to be the surface area, and you need to equate it by volume of casting, means 60 ka cube, and what is that, 6 into 60 ka square, 6a square. Okay, so this will give you some value of diameter. You need to consider the maximum of both will be the answer. Okay, whatever be the more, that would be your answer. Just solve this question, guys. Very first type of question in this casting problem. So don't worry, Bora Prakash, for metal cutting and manufacturing, this is manufacturing only. For metal cutting, metal forming, metrology and sim, I have a plan for that. Don't worry. Yes, Tornado, good evening, bhai. Tornado, good evening. So just solve this question, guys. And as promised, every part of this mechanical engineering would be covered. So you need not to worry about that. Okay, just leave on me. I will be covering each and everything. So on Sunday, most probably, you can assume either Saturday second half or Sunday full day will be HMT. So let us see what would be the best for you, that we will follow. Solve it, guys. Solve it, guys. I want answer from all of you guys. Yes, all the things are in front of you. You just need to do the calculations, nothing more than that. Shreyas is saying answer is coming out to be 20 mm. 20 or 120, Shreyas? Please check 20 or 120. Abhishek Panda, for that, we will be starting from Monday. Monday would be the first one for strength of material. Okay. Tell me the answer for this. Okay, so are you getting 29 from here? Please tell me that. Are you getting 29 from here? Please tell me. Are you getting 29 from here? Yes, Ajay, 29.041 is coming from here. So then you need to find out this also, na, modulus of riser more than equals to modulus of casting. That will give you what? Because maximum of both will be the answer. Okay, in modulus you are getting 12. Faninder, okay, solve it. So when you are going to put pi by 4, here I am finding out d square, and I am having height is given to us. So when height is given to us, you will be putting the same value of height which is given. It is nothing but 30 mm. So into 30 divided by 2 into, as it is a side riser, so 2 into pi by 4 d square plus pi dh. So from here you need to find out it is more than equals to 60 by 6. That will give you one value of diameter. Okay. So now if you are getting this value as 29.047 and this value is coming less than 29, then definitely 29 would be the answer. And if this value is coming more than 29, then this will be the answer. Okay. And when you will be calculating from this, you will be getting 120. So answer will be D. Okay. That was the mistake you guys were doing, and I was thinking ki when you will give the right answer. Now I feel Ajay, Rishi, Shreyas have given the right answer. Yes, very good. Fine. 120 would be the right answer. That's why I was thinking ki chalo last time to class बहुत late थी, अभी मैंने calculation में क्या गलती कर दी. Okay, so this question is over. Moving further to the second question. This is from the slush casting. So if you remember, that also I taught you in the marathon. What this casting is saying, the following trials were conducted in slush casting process. when the mold is inverted after 60 seconds. If you remember, for that we know TS, solidification time, is directly proportional to thickness ka square. From here we have written thickness is equals to C1 square root of solidification time plus C2. So you know that when the mold is inverted after 60 seconds, thickness is 2.5 mm. So 2.5 mm C1, it is 60 plus C2. Second, they are saying 120 seconds for 4 mm C1, 120 plus C2. This will give you C1 and C2. Then you need to find out for 6 mm what is the solidification time. This is the case of partial solidification. I am feeling that in gate 24 there are chances that you get question from this, because all other things they have already asked in the paper. So there are chances that question will come from here. Just solve this question, guys. So guys, everybody tomorrow ready for material science now? Tomorrow is material science, and I would like to tell you last year the weightage of material science was 4 marks. So don't take it lightly, okay? And if time permits, I may cover one more topic of production here only, because in the PPTs I would be having one more topic, okay? So if time permits, we may complete one more topic along with that as well, okay? So be live on that day. And if you have not done material science till now, then also that session enough will give you a lot. Very good. So solve this question, guys. Question number 2 from casting. We are covering all the types. Question number 2 from casting. No, Rishi, your answer is not correct. Arey bhai, when for 2.5 mm we require 60 seconds. For 4 mm we require 120 seconds. For 6 mm how we can go with 3.9 seconds? It is anyhow going to be more than 120 seconds. Yes, Strayers have given the right answer. 232.43 is the correct one. 232.43 is the correct one. So answer is going to be C for this. Very good, Strayers. Others also please verify the answer. Then we are moving to the next question. We have one question from permeability number as well. Yes, very good, Ajay. Very good, Faninder. What about others? Solve it, guys. Solve it, guys. Very good, Hari. Bahut badhiya. Wonderful, dear. So guys, do like and share the session. This is just the second question we have done. Moving to the third question, guys. A sand specimen is made according to AFS standards and tested by using permeability test. During testing, a 10 minutes time. So you know that permeability number is, what is the formula? V into H delta P A TF. You know here volume should be in centimeter cube. Height should be in centimeters. And you know it is not given, so height will be 5.08 centimeters. Area is pi by 4 d square, and height and diameter are also equal. So you need to find out the permeability number. Very good, guys. Bahut badhiya. Just solve it. Very good, Ashray. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, 5.01 Faninder is saying. What about others? 5.01 Faninder is saying. What about others? Shreyas is also giving the same answer. Yes, yes, yes. So when you will be solving this, you would be getting the permeability number as 5.01. So answer is going to be B for this. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Very good, very good, very good, guys. So moving further to the next question, guys. Next question is related to the modulus method. They have given that the producing a casting of this size, cylindrical riser is used. Determine the dia of riser assuming the modulus of riser. So you know modulus of riser is 1.2 times of modulus of casting. So modulus of riser is nothing but pi by 4 d square h divided by pi by 4 d square. This is 2 times plus pi dh. And you know this time, as they are saying it is a side riser, I feel everybody know for side riser diameter is going to be equals to height. Okay, and you know 10 am Ashray, the same time. Then we are having 1.2 times modulus of casting. Modulus of casting will be 300 cross 300 cross 100. You know the surface area will be 300 cross 300 plus 100 cross 300 plus 100 cross 300. And I would be saying multiplied by 2. This would be the modulus of casting, and this will give you the value of diameter to be this. Long calculations required in the casting numericals, but I feel you will be very easily doing this. Solve it and get the answer. I am waiting for your answer. Calculations you need to do just. Tomorrow material science marathon would be there. We will be going along with the question. There will not be any separate practice session for material science. We will do the questions with the marathon. Okay, and if time permits, we may go for one more topic like metal forming, or we may go for non-traditional machining methods, or we may go for computer integrated manufacturing or metrology, any one topic if time permits. Answer you are giving is 216. Let me check it. Okay, Shreyas is saying 216. What about others? Very good, Ajay. So answer 216 is the correct one. Answer 216 is the correct one. Answer 216 is the correct one. So guys, moving further to the next question. Next question is this, and this time the similar question is there. Casting of size this takes 30 minutes. Then this will take how much time? You know that solidification time of 2 by solidification time of 1 is equals to volume by surface area 2 का square, volume by surface area 1 का square. But you know that when you will be putting the value, you can also write V1, V2 by V1 and SA1 by SA2. So V2 by V1. Okay, V2 by V1. What is V2? 500 cross 300 cross 100. This is V2. Here you can write it now, V2 surface area 1 by V1 surface area 2 ka square. Because solidification factor will be getting cancelled out. So this is V2 by V1 is 500 cross 400 cross 200 into surface area. Now you know surface area is 2 times of. This is surface area of 1. 500 cross 400 plus 400 cross 200 plus 500 cross 200 divided by 2. Then we have 500 cross 300 plus 300 cross 100 plus 500 cross 100. And then you would be having the square of this. This will give you the solidification time of 2. Very large calculations. But this type of questions are coming in GATE exam, so we cannot ignore them. Okay, Rishi is saying A would be the answer. Let us see. Okay, Shreyas is also saying the same. And if I say you correctly, then I will say yes, 11.5 is correct. So when you would be going for the calculation, Answer will be coming out to be 11.5 minutes. Clear for everyone, guys? Clear for everyone? So we have completed 5 questions from casting. Now let us move to the 6th one. This is from the time required to fill the from the gating system. Here you know, whenever they have given 30,000 centimeter cube total volume, and you can see this is divided into 2 parts. So 15,000 here and 15,000 here. 15,000 is filled by top gating system, 15,000 is filled by bottom gating system. And if this is A, this is B. So you need to find out the total time. Total time is nothing but time of A by top plus time of B by bottom. And you can see the height of molten metal and the height of this is same. So whenever this happens, that height of molten metal and height of cavity is having the same value, then we can say time required to fill by the bottom gating system is 2 times the time required to fill by the top gating system. So this will become 2 times, and you know both have the same size. So we can also write it 3 times of TA by top gating system. So you just need to do this. It is a very easy question, very easy question. But I feel this type of question will come because in the exam they never ask you about the bottom gating system formula. And you know what is the top gating system formula? It is nothing but volume of casting by area of ingate into 2G HM. HM is given to you. Formula is in front of you. Solve it, guys. This is question number 6. After this we have question from welding. Okay, then we will be having about six question from welding. So I have taken 6 questions from casting, 6 from welding, 6 from sheet metal operation. Total 18 questions will be there in this session. Okay, this is the last from casting. Solve it, guys. Solve it, solve it, solve it. Everybody. Yes, guys, solve it. Nobody have given the answer till now. अरे भाई इतना मुश्किल तो नहीं है. You have volume बटे इनगेट एरिया. They have said a cubical casting of this filled with a parting line gating system, the height of mould cavity above the runner plate equal, the total liquid as is maintained as constant such that is equal to the mould height above the runner plane if the runner has uniform cross section of 20 mm diameter. The total time. So this diameter is given. You can find out AG. Yes, tell me. Everybody is getting 118.08. So are you telling me the value for total or for only one top? Are you giving me the value for total or one top? Yes. Because in my calculation answer is coming around 59. Let me check in that case. Because according to my calculation answer is coming 59. Okay, so what we have done is, you have done that time required to fill the cavity by top gating system, you know that. This formula is, you know, volume of casting. Volume of casting will be 15,000 because we are taking this A part only. Okay, so you would be having 15,000 divided by, then you would be having AG. We are having AG. What is AG? AG is pi by 4, 20 ka square into 2GHM, 29810. Height of molten metal is 300. Okay, this will be 1 TF. And if you want to find out TF total, the answer is 3 times of this. So what I feel is, as per my calculation, the answer is coming here is 19.68 seconds. Please verify once again. 59.04. Yes, I feel you guys have taken this 30,000 total. This is not correct now, because you know you are finding out time for this. This is going to be filled by top gating system, and the same volume is here, so that will be taking 2 times. 2 plus 1, 3 times. Okay, yes, that kind of mistake in the exam also you would be doing. Casting questions are over, guys. Now we are entering into welding questions. Okay, the very first welding question is in front of you. So guys, tomorrow I am expecting you to come once again with the same intensity. Tomorrow is material science. Okay, tomorrow is material science, and don't take it lightly because weightage is quite high. Which one of the following power source characteristic is most suitable for manual arc welding? You know, manual arc welding, there we want drooper kind of characteristics. So you need to check what is the value of dV by di. Okay, you need to check dV by di. You know that we wanted less change of voltage with respect to current. So if we are going to have high negative value for dV by di, that is going to be better for, that is going to be better, that is going to be better. So just solve it. Yes, if you are going to say differentiation of this will be coming out to be minus 0.2. This will be coming out to be minus 0.1. This will be coming out to be minus 0.8. This will be coming out to be minus 0.1. C is the right answer. Very good. Very good, Chili Mishra. बहुत दिनों बाद दिखे हो. So guys, moving further, this is the second question from the welding. In welding also, in 6th question I covered everything, from duty cycle to everything. In 90 mm long sheet is to be welded. With MIG welding process, the heat input required per unit is 10 joule. So heat input required is 10 joule per mm. It is 90 mm. So total, when I will go for total input, 10 joule per mm into 90 mm. But they are asking the total energy consumed, and they have given 2 efficiencies. So let us see how many of you gives the right answer. This is numerical answer type question. Numerical answer type question. They have given 2 efficiencies. You need to find out total electrical energy. So when they are saying total electrical energy, they are asking you heat generated. They are asking you heat generated. Okay, they are asking you heat generated, and they said that long sheet to be welded with this is actually heat required. This is heat required. So you know, if you want to go for heat generated, you have 2 efficiencies in that. Okay, you know, heat supply by heat generated is heat transfer efficiency. Then you know, heat required by heat supply is thermal efficiency or melting efficiency. And overall efficiency is the product of this heat transfer into thermal. So overall is nothing but heat required by heat generated. This is overall efficiency. So you just need to find out heat generated it would be heat required by overall efficiency. Solve it. Yes, what you would be getting, 1.875 kilojoules. They are asking in kilojoule, na Shreyas? Don't do that mistake. They are asking in kilojoules, so answer is 1.875. Numerical answer type, you need to be careful for that. Okay? Moving to the next question, guys. Moving to the next question. This is question number 10. During MIG welding operation, the electrode diameter used is 2 mm, feed rate is 3 meter per minute, total area of weld is this, then the find out welding speed. It is very simple question, just you need to go for volume flow rate equation. You know that this electrode is coming from which this is getting filled, and you know whenever you see the three-dimensional diagram, actually we are having this in the direction of welding. So area of weld into velocity of weld, this will be pi by 4 diameter of electrode ka square feed rate of electrode. Solve it, guys, and do like and share the session, guys. This is practice session going on. You know, for every subject we are having practice session. We have seen for machine design, we have seen for strength of materials, we have seen for now production. Vinay is saying the answer to be 5 in mm per second. Okay, Ajay is saying 5.000 to 5, that's the same. Very good. What about Faninder? Ashray, Shreyas is saying 5, very good. Darshan, Chili Mishra, so you would be getting velocity of weld after equating as 5 mm per second, because what you need to do is pi by 4, 2 ka square, and what is height rate? 3000. This is mm per minute still. You need to have in second. So 1 minute is 60 seconds is equals to area of weld is 31.4 into velocity of weld. Answer will be coming out to be 5 mm per second. Very good, guys. Moving to the next question. So for that, you know that these are the two last. You have 2 more days to appear for this second last test. Only 2 mega mock challenge are left. One is 2 days remaining, other is still to open from 27th of January. Don't miss the opportunity. Free mega mock challenge where you can judge yourself where you are lying among all India students. So don't forget to appear into the test. Okay. So moving to the next question, once again from the welding. This is a plate of 1 meter length is welded at a speed of 100 mm per minute with the arc welding power source at a duty cycle of it is, I feel, 60%. With a current of, you know that they are asking you heat input. For that the formula is efficiency times voltage into current divided by. You want in kilojoule. This will be giving you in what? This will be giving you in kilojoule per second. So you want in kilojoule, you will be dividing it with the velocity. Okay, and they have already given the plate of 1 meter length. So it would be coming per meter only. Okay, so as duty cycle is given, you will multiply it with duty cycle as well. So the formula will be efficiency into duty cycle into voltage into current divided by velocity of welding. It will automatically be coming kilojoule per meter. Okay, because the length is 1 meter. So just try to answer it. Okay, try to answer it. So whatever you would be getting, solve it. Solve it, guys. They are asking the total heat. So here, whatever you would be getting in kilojoule meter or per mm, whatever the units you will put. Like if I want to put the units, efficiency is how much? 80%, 0.8. Duty cycle is 0.6. Voltage is 150. Current is 30. Till now they will be giving you the answer in joules per second. Then if you are putting the value of velocity as 100 mm per meter, per minute is converting into per second 60 second. Now whatever this will be coming in joule per mm. So you need to multiply it, joule per mm, into 1000 mm. Okay, this will give you the answer in joules. Then you need to find out in kilojoules. Okay, in kilojoules it would be coming out to be what? 1.296 or 1296? 1.296 or 1296? You need to understand one more thing, na? That this will be giving you the answer in joule per mm, will get cancelled out. So if you want in kilojoule, you will be dividing it in 1000. So whatever you are getting here, joule per mm, that is kilojoule only. So I feel we will get 1296. Here only the confusion of units will make you negative in this question or will make your marks 0. So take care of these things properly, guys. Very good, Rishi, Darshan, bahut badhiya. Moving to the next question, guys. This is of your favorite type, favorite of gate. 4V plus 2I is equals to 240. First, you know how to do this question. This is the famous category. Solve this question. Solve this question, guys. So on Saturday we are going to complete the vibrations and the second part of tom. Okay. And guys, everything would be covered if you guys would be coming live, because your live attendance matter a lot. If you will not be coming in good number, then there is no meaning of going for live marathon. Because when already recording of last year is available, then we are coming live. So the meaning is that you should also come live. Okay. So be there tomorrow 10 a.m. Material science. Okay, so you are getting 1.8 kilowatt. So you would be getting V 240 minus 2I by 4. V is 60 minus I by 2. Power is V into I. 60I minus I square by 2. dP by di. 60 minus 2I by 2. This is dP by di. Equate it to 0, you will get the value of I. I feel I will be coming out to be 60 amperes. Power will be coming out to be V into I, 1.8 kilowatt. Very good, guys. Moving to the next question. Very good, guys. One last question from resistance welding. One last question from resistance welding. After this we have sheet metal operations question. In a resistance welding of a lap joint for two mild steel plate of 15 mm thickness, a current of 10,000 ampere is passed. For a period of 0.1 second, the effective resistance is given. I feel you can very easily find out heat generation as I square RT. Okay. Then they have given you the density. First of all, you need to find out the mass of nugget. Mass of nugget is density into volume. Then after getting the mass, you will go for heat required. That will be mCp delta T plus m into latent heat. They have not given any specific heat, so only this much will be calculated, this will not be. So they have asked about the efficiency. So what you need to do, you just need to say the efficiency would be heat required by heat generated. So once you will get it, obviously 1 minus efficiency would be your answer, because they are asking the percentage of heat dissipation. Try to solve it and get the answer. You know, they have given the cylindrical nugget. So volume of the nugget is pi by 4 d square h. Try to solve this question. This is a good question. Resistance welding. All types we have covered. After this we will enter into sheet metal operations question. Solve it, guys. Yes. Tell me, guys, first of all, when you will be finding out the mass of nugget, it would be coming out to be 0.671 gram. Okay, 671 gram. Then you can find out the latent heat is given 1381. Or normally heat is given, not latent heat, 1381. This is nothing but 1381 into 0.671. This will be your heat required. So when you will be going for, you can also directly go for heat generation minus heat required by heat generation into 100. That will be the percentage of heat dissipation. Very good, very good. Okay, Vinay is saying 22.72%, that is correct answer. 22.72% is correct. With this we have completed the welding question. Now we are entering into sheet metal operations. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Very good Ajay, very good Shreyas. Yes, Faninder, kahan gaye? Ashray, very good. So entering into the next sheet metal operations. A circular blank of diameter 20 mm is to be produced from a sheet of 2 mm. The crushing stress induced in the punch material and the ultimate strength of the sheet metal to be 275 MPa. You know that pi by 4 d square into sigma cr is equals to pi d t into tau permissible. Okay, that you need to do. Is it clear? So just try to solve it and let me check whether the data given is complete or not. Solve this question. Yes, this is the complete only. Solve it. So you need to answer, you need to find out what? They have given you diameter, they have given you sheet thickness. The crushing stress induced in the punch material. If, okay, that you need to find out. sigma CR is unknown. DD cancel out, pi cancel out. So it will be 4T tau permissible divided by D. Very good. Rishi, Faninder, Shreyas, Vinay, Ajay. Answer is correct. Answer is correct. Moving further, guys. Question number 15. This is a good question. You know that the force requirement for blanking is, this is tau ultimate into perimeter into thickness. For perimeter you need to add all the sides, and for that you need to find out this side as well. You already know if this is 70 this will be 30, and if this is 60 this will be 30. So this is nothing but 30 root 2. So perimeter is the sum of all the sides. Next you can very easily do. Solve it, guys. After this we have 4 more questions, but they are small only. Sheet metal operations question are simple. हाँ 169.69 करेक्ट. वेरी गुड विनय, अजय, ऋषि, बहुत बढ़िया. आश्रय, हैव यू डन इट? फनिंदर, यू हैव डन इट. वेरी गुड. दर्शन, बहुत बढ़िया. वेरी गुड. The minimum diameter of hole, it is from the same concept once again. Pi by 4 d square into sigma CR pi dt into tau permissible. Here sigma CR permissible. But you know what is sigma CR permissible? They have said that this is having factor of safety. So sigma CR is 1600 by 2. But here you are going to fail. So factor of safety cannot be more than 1. So here this value will be 400 only. You need to find out the minimum diameter. Solve it. Solve it, guys. Solve it. Okay, you are getting 8 mm. Very good. Ajay, बहुत बढ़िया. Faninder, बहुत बढ़िया. Answer will be 8 mm for sure. 8 mm is the right answer. Very good. Next question, guys. In blank, very good, Vinay, Ashray, Shreyas, Darshan, Aman. So in blanking operation, find the shear to be provided. You know, for this, the shear force KT plus I is equals to F into KT. You need to find out the shear. K value is 0.5. K value is 0.5. Yes, Ajay. Answer will be 8 for that. Solve this one, guys. After that we have 2 more questions. Sorry, 1 more question. So you would be having, they are saying that in the blanking operation find the shear to be provided. so that the force required is 2/3 of the maximum force. So this Fs is 2/3 of the F. So you would be having 2/3 0.5 T plus I is equals to 0.5 T. So you need to find out the I. So 3 will be going there, 1.5. Here it is 1.5 T. Yes, I feel very easily you can do this. Just by looking at this, I can say answer will be C. Can you feel it? Arey bhai, this is the force when shear is provided. This is the force when shear is not provided. It is 2/3. So when you will be cancelling these two, you will be getting 2/3 here. When you will go for 3 here, this will become 1.5 T. 2 into 0.5 T is 1 T. So 1 T will be coming here 0.5 T. And you know I will be multiplying 2I. I will be coming out to be 0.5/2. 0.25 T will be the right answer. Very easy question. Okay. Now everybody is clear. Shall we go to the last question? Very good. Last question, guys. This is the last question when trimming allowance is given. This question I have done in the marathon also. So I feel this you will be giving the answer to me. Here you need to find out first of all the diameter. Then you know trimming allowance is given. So plus 2 times of trimming allowance. So here they have said the diameter of the blank required to produce a cup of the base dia 30 mm, height 60, flange dia 50. So this is the cup. 30. 50. Height. Solve it, guys. First of all, I am telling you the formula. Because when you will be finding out the corner radius, as d1 by r is coming out to be more than equals to 20, so corner radius का कोई effect नहीं आएगा. This will be the formula. So when you will be applying, you will be getting 98.5. When you will be going for the trimming allowance, the answer will be 104.5. Clear for everyone? Yes. So guys, tomorrow we will be meeting for material science, and if possible I will try to add one topic into that, and otherwise we will also see the upcoming topics. On Saturday we have vibrations, and most probably heat and mass transfer also will be on the same day, and after that we will be having the metal cutting part. For metal cutting, metal forming, we will discuss tomorrow. Actually, I have some better plan than the marathon. If you guys will agree, we will go with that. Okay, because in metal cutting, metal forming, I have made a special plan which I will show you tomorrow. If you guys will agree with that, then we will go with that. Okay, otherwise, like marathon, we will see. 104.5 is correct. Yes, Falinder, very good. So tomorrow we will meet, guys. Be ready for that. Okay, so goodbye for this particular video, for this particular practice session, and be ready tomorrow 10 a.m. once again in the morning we will meet. So goodbye. and do like and share the session. Also share the virtual calculator video, and if you find any other help there, then tell me, I will definitely help you. Yes, goodbye.